Now let us see how do we derive Euler's formula. So let us analyze these shapes: cuboid, triangular pyramid, triangular prism, pyramid with square base, prism with square base. Let us count the faces, vertices, edges and check whether f plus v and e plus 2 have any connection between them. So number of faces for a cuboid is 6. Number of vertices 8. Number of edges 12. So f plus v will be 6 plus 8 and e plus 2 will be 12 plus 2. Now let us see a triangular pyramid. Number of faces is 4. Number of vertices is also 4 and number of edges is 6. So f plus v is 4 plus 4 and e plus 2 is 6 plus 2. Let us see the triangular prism. Number of faces 5, number of vertices 6, number of edges 9. F plus v is 5 plus 6, e plus 2 is 9 plus 2. Let us see the pyramid with square base. Faces 5, vertices 5, edges 8. F plus v is 5 plus 5, e plus 2 is 8 plus 2. Let us see the last one, prism with square base. So it is nothing but a cube. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. So f plus v is 6 plus 8, e plus 2 is 12 plus 2. So let us see what is the connection between f plus v and e plus 2 in each case. So in the first one, the total comes to be 14 for both. In the second case, the total comes to be 8 for both. In the third case, it is 11 for both. In the fourth case, it is 10. And in the fifth case, it is 14. So we find that f plus v and e plus 2 are same in all these cases. Hence, from the last two columns, we find f plus v and e plus 2 are equal. That is, f plus v minus e will be equal to 2. This relationship is called as Euler's formula. In fact, this formula is true for any polyhedron. Euler's formula is f plus v minus e is equal to 2.